Hey everyone, it's me here again, and today I'm going to show you something very cool. But before, I want to give you the news that I may not be making gaming videos. Sorry guys. Said that it's my father said I should make real life videos rather than fictional videos. I don't know why he doesn't like fiction. Okay, so I may be making science videos, maybe study videos, continue vlogging, maybe unboxing. Actually, we didn't buy those things for unboxing. I just had it, so I thought of making unboxing. Not much for unboxing, but I may show you unboxing videos and technology videos. So let's come to the point. Today I'm going to show you something so cool. You must be amazed about it. Have you ever thought about a pencil which stands straight like this and a stand without any support? My dear friends, I'm going to tell you in the ending of the video how to make it free, and I'm going to show it to you right now. 3, 2, 1. Pew! Actually, wait. Pew! Guys, how cool is that? See that? The pencil is rotating and this looks so cool, guys. This pencil has 2 magnets up here and here, and it simply balances like this. Now I'll tell you the science behind it. Actually, how this works is, guys, there's a magnet up here, the triangular magnet, and there's a magnet up here. Just put a chunk of magnet just broken from up here. Sorry guys, it was broken, so I had to put it up here. Because if I put it up here, wait guys, I'll show it to you. This is how it gets fixed. Guys, it seems fixed, but now see guys how inclined this is. It doesn't stick. So that's why I put it up here, just to increase the magnetic capability of the first one. So how this works is, here guys, this and this attract each other. This magnet and this magnet attract each other, as well as this magnet and this magnet attract each other. So the pencil has to stand in between, because this thingy just rotates. These both attract each other, these both attract each other. Both are actually here we have to put 2 magnets, but one of them was lost. So it still works though, but 2 may be better. So guys, this is how it works, and now I'll tell you how to make it. It involves a lot of double-sided tapes. The tape you may be seeing it here is, I put it extra because the DSA tape was falling off due to drawing. So the steps are, and when I do the practical, it will be time taking. So yeah, what you are supposed to do is, I got this foam. You just take this foam just on one end, okay, not at the very end, that one end where without these magnets. Magnets have to be put afterwards, so you need to sharpen it and just poke it inside, make these kind of holes in here, and then take first you have to put them one by one in both of them. This is a smaller piece, this is a bigger piece of foam. Okay guys, this is plastic foam. Okay, not very soft foam, okay guys, a bit hard foam, not very soft but not very hard, medium. So this is the one. This is actually foam. You cannot use sponge instead of foam, okay guys. So I put this, you put it in front of each other. You just this is a full pencil guys, not sharpened, full pencil for the most use. This is the end start, this is the full unsharpened pencil. And then you take another piece of foam, just stick it on that, and then this also you have to poke it like this and make a hole. You need to make it so that it goes, if you poke it from here, it should come outside from here. So this is how you do it. More drawing it, sorry guys. So you just put this, and then you put a tape up here, and then a half broken ice cream stick. Then you put some more DSA tape, and then a magnet up here, actually 2 or 1 as per your choice. And then you take some more DSA tape up here, stick this triangle magnet. You can put a normal cube magnet, I don't know why they gave me this. So this is how you technically make it. And then you need 2 more oval magnets the size of this, put it around the pencil, and you're ready. So you just, and guys, always remember two things to remember. The ice cream stick, this should not be above this, because this thing is height adjustable. See guys, see this thing is adjustable on height, so I can adjust the height. But if I put the ice cream stick above this while making it like this, if I put it up here, then it won't be height adjustable. Okay, so you need to remember that you do not do that. The second one is you should always put this and this in a straight line. Okay guys, always put this magnet and this magnet in a straight line. Always lens will be inclined like this or whatsoever angle it is. So always put it straight. Okay, I need to increase the size. Yeah, so this is how it works guys. See this is how it works. It may fall guys, so yeah, this is how it works. You can amaze your friends like this. Okay guys, so this was the end of the video. Amaze your friends. This looks cool, right? This is a good showpiece, everyone guys, and you can even use it as, you can even spin it just like that. How cool is that? Keep spinning. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and bye bye.